Under this topic, we will be dealing with arithmetic progression, AP. Now we say an arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between any term and the subsequent or next term remains the same or gives a constant throughout. Now what we mean is the difference between any term and subsequent. That's just taking this as example. The difference between this and the subsequent, or this and the subsequent, or this and the subsequent are the same. That is, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So when we have something of this nature, that means we are dealing with an arithmetic progression. Now sometimes we have, alright, okay, that's it, just it, okay. Now here we have the constant is called common difference, okay. That's constant value is called common difference. All right. Now, the first term of an AP is denoted as A. The nth term is denoted as Tn. Okay. Now we have finding the common difference. We have A. That's the common difference there is equal to D. For us to find it, the formula is Tn minus 1. Okay. That is, if you find out that this one n has reduced by 1 here. That's n minus 1, and n is still what it is. That means the n bigger one, the bigger minus the smaller, or the first minus the second minus the subsequent, the previous. Or you say T2 minus T1. If you find out that this one is also 1 less than this. The T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. Okay. Now finding the other terms from a given first term A. If you're given first term A, for you to get other terms, this is the A. So the next term will be A plus D. Now the next term will be this one, that's A plus D plus D. That's D plus D will be 2D. Now the next term will be 2D plus D, which is 3D. Okay, the D keeps on increasing. All right. Now this is something with this. Okay, this one is separated with comma. This is addition sign. Now, example: if a series is given as 1, 3, 5, 7, okay, A is equals to 1. That's the first term there. The first term there is 1. Now D is equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1, where n minus 1 here is equals to, assuming I'm dealing with T3, that's the third term. Assuming I'm dealing with third term here, which is 1, 2, 3, third term. I have T3 minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, of course, is equal to 2, which is equals to third term here, T3 is equal to 5, T2 is equals to 3. That's 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. All right. Or D, you can still use second term and first term, or use fourth term and third term. Okay. Now, the second term here is 3. 3 minus 1, 3 minus first term is equals to 2. Or you use the fourth one and the third one. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now, when you do that, you find out that the difference are the same. That is why we call it common. The difference is common among all of them. That is 2, 2, 2. All right. Getting other terms, when A equals to 1, D equals to 2. Now, if A first term is equal to 1 and the common difference is 2, for us to get other terms, we still use that formula of A, D, D plus D, 2D, 2D plus D, 3D. Okay, where A is still added in all of them. Now we have 1, A is equals to 1, plus brackets A is equals to 1 here, plus D, common difference is 2. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Okay, this one is 2D is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 here, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Now here is 3D, D is equal to 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now you find out that we have the same thing as we had before, when the common difference is 2 and the first term is 1. Okay. All right. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7. That means if we should find for another time now, that means instead of 3D, the next one will be 4D, which eventually is going to give us 9. Okay. And then continues. Now the next one there we have is n term of an arithmetic progression. The general term is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1, close bracket, then D. Now, this is the general term. Now we have, if with this term, you can be able to get the value for any term in an AP. Now we have T1, that the first, assuming I want to get the real term for the first term. This is T1 equals to A, that the first one here is the first term. A plus bracket n is now 1, that is n is 1, okay, minus 1. Then close bracket we have D. Okay, we have 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 times D is equal to 0. A plus 0 is equal to A. That's the reason why we say the first term is denoted as A. Now the first term of an AP is A. All right. Now, second term will be equals to A plus the n here becomes 2. Okay, n is 2 here. That's second term. That means n here will be 2. 2 minus 1 it will give me 1. 1 times this is D. That's the reason why second term is A plus D. Now third term will be 2D. Fourth term will be 3D. That's with the A constant. All right. Now we have, I said note, coefficient of D in a given term is always 1 less than the term. Now, if you watch here, find out that the D here, the coefficient here is 1. Coefficient here is 2. Coefficient here is 3. This one is 1 since there's no number there. Now, you find out that this 1 here is 1 less than 2. 2 here is 1 less than 3. 3 here is 1 less than 4. That means if I'm dealing with fifth term now, I'll say T5 equals to A plus 4D. Now, the 4 will be less than, is 1 less than 5. So it continues like that. And you have to master this so that you don't keep repeating all this formula and then start working again in order still go through this process to arrive here. Just master that the coefficient of D for each term is 1 less than the term. Okay. Example 1. The first question is find the 15th term. Find the 15th term of the sequence 3, 6, 9. Okay, and then A, the first term. If you watch here, find out that we have A. A is the first term, which is 3. D is the common difference, which is gotten as D 6 minus 3. That's second term minus first term. Second term and the first one, which is 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Now we have T15. That's the 15th term. Now since we have from the formula, we know that we have the formula is A plus 14D. That this 14 here is 1 less than 15, just like we did here. Okay, so 15th term will be A plus 14D. Now D, which is what we have as common difference here, is 3. 14 times 3 is equal to 42. So 3 plus 42 is equal to 45. That means the 15th term will be equal, if this thing should be increasing by 3, the 15th term will be having 45. All right. Now here we say what is the 30th term of 12, 10, 8. Okay. All right. Now continues. We have A here is 12, and then D is equals to second term minus first term. Well, now the reason I not said this, I also want to find the common difference with another term using 3 and 2. That's third term minus second term. Okay, which my first term here is 12. Okay, and my common my second term is 10. That is, if I'm to use this, that will be 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12 equals to minus 2. If I'm to use this and this, that's third term and second term. 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10. That third term is 8. First, second, third. 8 minus 10 is equals to minus 2. Now, you find that we have minus 2, minus 2. The reason why this is very much needed for you to work on it with 2 terms is in case the question is randomly set without knowing whether it is an arithmetic progression or geometric progression. So for you to confirm that it is actually the difference is actually a common difference and not a ratio, you have to work on it with 2 terms to justify it. Because sometimes in GP you can just work on first term minus second term minus first term, you get a particular number. But when you do it on third term and second number and third term, it will not give you the same number. So the difference there will not be common. That means you will be dealing with GP. You now try to work on the ratio, which we will do in the subsequent tutorial under GP. Now we have third term here, 30th term. Of course, we are asked to find what is the 30th term. So since we have our A and we have our D, then our 30th term is equal to A plus 29D. 29 is 1 less than 30 from what we have been doing here. 29 is 1 less than 30. Then we now have 29 times our D is now equal to minus 2.
59 times minus 2 is equals to minus 58. So, of course, our A is equals to 12. First term, okay, 12. Now, which is equal to 12 minus 58 will give me minus 46. That means the 30th term will be minus 46. If you watch here, if you know that this thing is reducing from 12 to 10, from 10 to 8, it will keep reducing until it becomes minus 46 at the 30th term. Now, the next one there is find the 37th